Hi, my name is Ava, and today I will be showing you how to use the Content Aware Fill tool to change the image orientation in Photoshop. So first, when you open Photoshop, you're going to open your JPEG file, the photo that you're going to edit, and then you're going to make sure you're using the crop tool and you use the toolbar on the left hand side. And then you're just basically going to crop and rotate your image to make sure that it's straight. As you see, the image that I originally had, it was crooked. On the top, while you're still in the crop tool, you're going to change it from the fill section to default to Content Aware Fill. And then once you're in Content Aware Fill, you're going to check mark on the right, and then the photo will automatically content fill the rest of the photo of the edges that were still not cropped out yet and they were excess from the photo after you moved it. And now your photo is straight using the Content Fill Aware tool in Photoshop.